This solar inverter replaces your whole grid? LiTime 3500W off-grid beast explained. Ever feel like your power setup is just broken? 1 minute you're charging up your gear, and the next, boom! The grid's down, your old inverter gives up, and your DIY system looks like a spaghetti monster. You're tired of babying unstable equipment that heats up faster than your morning coffee and confuses you with settings only a rocket scientist could love. You waste time. You waste energy. And deep down, you know your setup's more patchwork gamble than reliable backup. Let's face it, power should just work. No mystery. No midstorm surprises. No cryptic beeps at 2 a.m. Now imagine your system fails when it matters most. Picture your fridge dying, your router blinking out, your tools quitting mid-job, and you're left in the dark, literally. Missed deadlines, spoiled food, zero safety net. You can't afford to bet your life, or your livelihood, on outdated hardware and mismatched gear. You're trapped in a loop of repair and regret, stuck choosing between overpaying or living off candles and crossed fingers. Burnout creeps in. Your energy independence feels more like energy incompetence. Why does going off-grid feel like going off-cliff? Enter the LiTime 3500W pure sine wave solar inverter charger, your off-grid, on-point, no-drama power hero. This isn't just another inverter, it's the all-in-one answer to every headache your system ever gave you. With built-in MPPT charge controller, 80A, pure sine wave 3500W inverter, and intelligent battery charger, it doesn't just replace your gear, it reinvents your whole power strategy. Real-time LCD, full RS485 communication, auto PV tracking, and smart modes make it plug-and-play brilliance. Whether it's for your garage, cabin, or apocalypse bunker, this unit's got your back with uninterrupted, whisper-quiet, high-efficiency energy mastery. This beast doesn't just talk big, it delivers. You get 6,000 watt surge for charge modes, including hybrid, 3 output priorities, and seamless UPS switchover, so your devices stay humming even when the grid ghosts you. Plus, its dual fan cooling, short circuit protection, and low voltage safeguards mean you're covered from every angle. Tired of wasting wall space and deciphering cables? The 3-in-1 compact design saves up to 50% more space and clears the clutter. It's quiet. It's smart. It works. Want less mess and more energy zen? Stick around, we're breaking it all down. Ready to fire your utility bill and never look back? Thousands of homesteaders, off-grid pros, and solar rebels have already leveled up with the LiTime 3500W solar inverter charger, and they're not looking back. Stock is tight, and trust us, this unit flies. With real-time visibility, industry-grade protection, and unmatched reliability, this is your shot to build a system that actually works, no duct tape required. Don't wait until the next outage. Don't gamble on guesswork. Upgrade your power game now. Smash that button, claim your unit, and say hello to power without panic. Let's light it up, your way.